From the iris of your eye to the orbits of planets, circles define our world. But how do you measure a shape with no straight sides? You can't just use a ruler like you would for a square. To unlock the secrets of a circle, we need the help of a single magical number, pi. First, let's learn the anatomy. The radius is the distance from the exact center to any point on the edge. The diameter is the line that cuts straight across the circle, passing right through the center. And here's the golden rule you can't forget. The diameter is always exactly twice the length of the radius. If a circle has a radius of 7 centimeters, its diameter is 14. Simple. Now, let's measure its journey. The circumference is the distance around the circle's edge, its perimeter. The formula is beautifully simple. Pi times the diameter. Or if you only have the radius, it's 2 times pi times the radius. Think of a bicycle wheel with a 70-centimeter diameter. Every single time that wheel makes a full rotation, the bike travels roughly 2.2 meters forward. But what about the space inside the circle? That's the area. The formula is pi times the radius squared. But here is the most crucial warning. You must square the radius first before you multiply by pi. It's the most common mistake. And remember, if a problem gives you the diameter, you have to slice it in half to find the radius before you can calculate the area. That lawn sprinkler with a 5-meter radius isn't just watering a small patch, it's covering nearly 80 square meters of grass. So it all comes down to this. Radius is your key, circumference is the journey around, area is the space within. And when calculating that space, always square the radius first. From figuring out the size of a pizza to engineering a satellite dish, these fundamental rules are your essential tools for mastering the perfect shape.